model. If you could choose only one favorite model, would it be the R32?
Your favorite GTR?
Just one favorite.
Oh,
好難答。
do you have a child? Yeah, but it's your choice, right? But do you have a child?
R32 R32
But my question for you, do you have a children? Child? Not yet. Not yet. Mister, do you have a child? You have. How many?
有幾多位
Which
小
do
朋
you
友？
like?
有兩個小朋友嘅，你中意邊個小朋友咧？如果係你自己嘅仔女，
Answer is like him.
係啦，就係好難答啦。即係個個都係自己嘅仔，咁中意邊個好咧？即係唔會噶嘛。即係個個都中意。
Actually, for me, it's but not child. Some job, but I 100%, 120% charge my energy, right? I cannot select about for this is the best or this is the best. I can't.
即係佢用盡佢嘅努力去開發佢即係佢旗下嘅新車啦，咁所以佢其實都好難揀到邊部係真係佢嘅 favourite 啦。咁
Oh, but,
OK，
but
但係
the job have been started from 33 minor change
OK
and 34, 35. But look at my
誒睇下
car
佢
history.
有咩睇先 ？OK，哇！
Still, I'm keeping.
佢係啦，
Still, I'm
佢
keeping.
仲 keep 緊呢架 R32啊！
I bought the 1989 brand new car.
1989年新車賣嘅呢部 R32 GTR keep 到而家。
I was not charged in this project 32. I was just a fan.
OK。
Yes, I'm employee, but just a
係
fan.
啊，當時佢未加入
Skyline
嗰個
GTR, sorry.
研發 GTR 嘅團隊啊，咁佢當時只係一個 fans GTR 嘅 fans，咁佢就一出就即刻買咗呢架車啦。
27 years old, by the way.
哇，27年車。
So that's mean for a buddy.
Okay.
BUDDY.
Buddy 啊，係佢嘅 buddy 啊。
Partner. It's so strong, main man.
OK。
That's why for this car is for me strong relation and hint for the 34, 35 or brand new car idea.
Okay.
I could learn from so many this car. Good point, also bad point.
OK。
But anyway, this is a very important some stage or friendship relation.
係啦，呢個 R32咧，其實啟發咗佢之後開發即係 R33、R34、R35咧，其實佢都係以呢架做一個 reference 啦。咁同埋呢架車嘅優點缺點咧，其實佢都即係好認真研究過晒。咁然後再注入翻佢一啲新嘅元素落去佢其後去研發嘅新嗰啲 GTR。OK，thank you。好，下一個問題咧就係喺日產嘅車系歷史、車廠歷史裏邊咧，其實 GTR 同 Fairlady C 咧係兩個都係一個好重要嘅車型啦，好 iconic 嘅跑車車型啦。咁其實阿田村先生咧，佢除咗係研發 GTR 之外，其實最後期嘅2Z34車系咧，即係而家新嗰款2Z34都係由佢負責開發嘅。咁我就想問下佢，究竟兩款車之中，佢覺得其實會唔會有一款車佢更加中意，或者佢點樣去分辨，或者點樣去選擇呢兩款車咧？
Okay, the GTR and Fairlady Z are both very important in Nissan's history. Which one would actually suit you better?
GTR and Fairlady C。 好，佢又要俾一啲圖片大家睇睇。好，係啦，佢呢度講咗啦。OK。
It's also tough to say about for GTL and Z is different characters of sports car. So I said GTL is like a mobile suit.
冇爆術就係機動戰士啊，即係 GTR 好似個機動戰士咁樣，係啦。
But Z is like a dance partner.
C 咧即係 Fair Lady C 咧就係一個好似一個跳舞嘅 partner，即係點樣同佢跳舞。
GTL has a big energy, right? Big energy to control about for human some special technology. How you can grab the road. I told you, car is your extension. I'm a commander. Do it. That's connection. Synchronize is important.
係啦，GTR 咧就係一架好強力、好高性能嘅車啦，咁啊有啲好高嘅科技啦，咁你一路駕馭住佢咧，佢可以找實個路面，即係你好似你開住一個高達咁樣嘅。
But Z is a dance partner. I told I don't dance, but the dance is like that.
佢唔識跳舞，不過佢知道係點樣，即係一個 dance partner，即係跳舞嘅舞伴。你點樣控制住你嘅 dance partner 咧
How you can lead the partner as much as possible. The leading is by you. If your leading is bad, your dance has failed.
係啦，咁你即係揸住個 Fair Lady C 咧，就好似跳舞咁，你帶住個 partner 點樣跳啦？如果你技術好咧，咁啊，哇，梗係跳得靚啦！如果技術唔好咧，一出錯咧就好大鑊啦，好肉酸啦。
So keyword is same synchronize, but different relation because of I don't say a gender, man or women, it doesn't matter. Your partner, some relation, interactive this relation of the sports car. That's name is in Japan we call Fair Lady Z.
所以其實個名都提到點解叫做 Fair Lady C，Fair Lady 即係你要點樣跳舞同嗰個女伴跳舞跳得好好，要點樣 synchronize，即係點樣同佢同步化啦，兩個要溝通得好啦，默契有好好嘅默契，咁先可以成件事做得好啊。咁that means the Fair Lady C is more difficult to drive.
I don't want to say about difficulty, but again, for how you can synchronize or intentionally, GTL is more technology type, like an AI or systems. But Fair Lady, Z is need about for your more carefree to check about for car's condition. Two-wheel drive, by the way. Two-wheel drive of Z. All-wheel drive of GTR. This is also the message, right? Solution message is different.
點樣去解決個問題，即係個 solution 係唔同咧，即係GTR 係4驅，咁有好多 technology 咧，你佢 technology 可以幫你手去達到一個好高嘅境界，但係 Fair Lady C 咧，你要用你個人嘅技術啦，你嘅經驗啦，架車，因為始終佢係一個後驅嘅車，咁好比較易甩尾啲啦，咁所以你要有一個好好嘅自己去控制嘅車嗰個技術咧，先會開得到。
Yeah, that's why for answer is slightly difficult because both are the sports car lover intention. One is connection for very strong power to control, under control by me. But sometimes, this car is scary. What I want to control about this partner.
GTR 就係佢可以幫你 control 到一啲情況啦，咁但係 Fair Lady C 咧就要即係你自己去 control 嗰樣嘢啦，即係好難選擇邊一樣，但係兩種都係好唔同嘅一個 sports car 嘅體驗啦、理念啦，咁所以係要大家去感受一下嘅。